Have a PDF file that is password protected and locked from editing or printing? Here is how to easily unlock it without a password using a free online tool. First, open your web browser and go to a trusted online converter like ilovepdf.com or smallpdf.com and select the Unlock PDF tool. Next, click on the Select PDF File button, browse your computer, and choose the locked PDF document you want to open. Once your file uploads, simply click the Unlock PDF button at the bottom right corner. The system will securely process the document and instantly strip away the security restrictions. Finally, click Download Unlocked PDF to save the fully accessible version right back to your computer. Now you can print, edit, and read your document without any restrictions. If this quick document trick saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast digital tutorials.